Video 1. What is computer? Welcome to our video on the topic of what is a computer. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, from simple calculations to complex simulations. But what exactly does that mean? A computer is made up of several components, including the central processing unit, or CPU, which is the brain of the computer. It's responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations. Memory, or RAM, is where the computer stores data that it's currently using. And storage, such as a hard drive or solid-state drive, is where the computer stores data permanently. A computer can run a wide range of software applications, from basic programs like a web browser, to more advanced applications like a video editing software. These applications are written in programming languages and are executed by the CPU. One of the most powerful features of a computer is its ability to connect to the internet. This allows for access to a vast amount of information and resources, as well as the ability to communicate with other computers and devices around the world. Thank you for watching. We hope you now have a better understanding of what a computer is and what it can do. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on technology and other related topics. Thanks for watching.